So today, Wednesday, is going to be a little bit different than the things we've done earlier in the week. Today will be our Zoom day. So during our Zoom day, what we're going to do is we are going to make a drawing and then write a paragraph about it. Everybody who participates in the Zoom does not have to do the assignment, but they will have to go to Google Google Classroom, and there'll be a little thing to fill out, and all you have to put in it is I watched the Zoom today, and that's all I gotta fill out. The people who did not attend the Zoom will have to go to the paragraph that we wrote during the Zoom and translate that from French into English on their own, and then submit that translation. I will add that into Google Classroom 20 or 30 minutes after the Zoom ends. If you are in French 1, your Zoom will be at 10:30 a.m. If you're in French 2, French 3, or French 4, your Zoom will be at 1 p.m. Also, if you have not completed your vote for the songs that you liked better, we still have about half of them left to do. They are due tomorrow, and I will not be accepting any more votes for it. And all of the songs are very close to being tied, so every vote will count towards which one wins. As always, you have my contact information. If you need to ask me a question, a.olinger@gckschools.com. My phone number is 620-842-8613. My specific office hours are from 9 to 10 and 12 to 1. One last note, I will not be putting the Zoom up until about 10 minutes before you need to log on. 10 minutes before you need to log on, the code for the Zoom meeting will be put in Google Classroom. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me like I said, and I think we'll have a great time on Zoom. See you there.